Well, welcome again to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Braun Series 9 Pro 9465cc. This is the graphite color, and I just got this today, arrived from Amazon. See how this is. We'll open it up, we'll have a look inside, see what it comes with. I won't do the shaving video yet. I'll save that for a little bit later. But of course, let's just read what it says here. 4 cutting elements, 1 skin guard, 40,000 cross-cutting actions a minute, Pro Lift trimmer, sonic gliding technology, auto sense technology, wet or dry, lithium ion battery, 60 minutes shaving, 5-minute quick charge, LED Pro display, 2-year worldwide warranty, 100-day money-back guarantee. That's of course from Braun. If I were to take advantage of the money-back guarantee from Amazon, it would be 30 days. Talks more in depth about some of the features. 2x OptiFoil for a close shave. Talks about the trimmer again, the Pro Lift trimmer for 3 to 7 day beard. Direct and cut trimmer for tricky hairs, skin guard for skin comfort, mentions the sonic technology again, precision switch, precision trimmer, talks about the 5-in-1 smart care center, smart programs, cleans hygienically, lubricates, charges, dries actively. So we will we'll open this up, and I see a plastic seal on 3 of the sides. So again, thing with the scissors, I'm gonna go get some scissors. I'll be back and this will be opened up. Okay, we continue. I've opened up the sides here that had tape with some scissors, and let's get to it. Of course, you can only see half of my face, and that's by design. You're here to see the razor, you're not here to see my face. You'll see my face in head shaving videos and beard shaving videos, but for now, the main attraction here is what's inside this box. So we'll open the top here. Actually, let's open it from the side. Open it from the side. The case came out. Now, judging by the weight of this, I'd say the razor might already be inside here. And it is. Look at that. It's already inside here. First impressions here. I can tell you right now that I already don't like this case because there's really no room for the cord. See, there's no room at all for the cord. So I don't like that. There's the razor. Okay, you can see it's got a good grip to it, the rubberized grip here. Here's obviously the trimmer. Slide the trimmer up, just a standard trimmer, it's nothing special. Slide that back down. The shaving head, you see the 4 foils there. Okay. The charging leads down here. So we'll stick that razor in the case for now and set it aside. See what other goodies are waiting for us here, eh? So here we go. We've got the charging cable. I was kind of worried because sometimes when you buy a razor on Amazon, you read reviews from other people, and you find out that these people have been sent a razor that was used previously Well, this one I can say is totally new, so that's good. So here's the charging cable. It's quite long, which is nice. We've got the cleaning solution here. Completely sealed, which is always good. No mess inside the box. Set that down. And of course the 5-in-1 cleaning and charging stand, the Smart Care Center as they call it. Let's open this up. Okay, here we go. We've got some instructions here about how the first one here shows you that it can't be used when it's plugged into the charger, into the wall. You have to unplug it first. Talks about how you should just rinse it with water. I'm not a big fan, to be honest, of these diagrams. I'm not really a visual learner, so I think I'd prefer to have written instructions. But it seems like Braun only gives you these little diagrams. Here's the Series 9 Pro manual. It tells you the way to lock this. It has a travel lock. It tells you to push the power button in for 3 seconds. It's showing you how to, the motions you should make when shaving. How to remove the shaving head. And then I think there's probably, yes, there's an instruction here for the 5-in-1 Smart Care Center as well. And again, as you can see, it's just a series of diagrams. It looks like the cleaning thing will go in that way. There's an opening at the back there. But yeah, just generally, right now, the only thing I'm not too thrilled about are the instructions. I don't like diagrams. I want printed instructions, you know? So I'll have to contact Braun tomorrow and see what they can send me in the way of printed instructions. Let's open up this razor head as well, just to see. Again, I know it's new, but just to make sure. Yeah. Nothing at all in there, you see? Spotless. Yeah, it is a quality machine, I'll tell you that. And of course I press the button, totally dead. Not even a low charge indicator, it's just completely dead. So this is definitely going to need a 1-hour charge. So I'll do that. I'll shave with this tonight to get the hang of it. And then I'll eventually make a proper head shaving video. And there again is the razor. As I've said, you see the power button. The head is Very nice. It feels good. It's not too terribly heavy, but it feels good. It feels really good. And the rubber, of course, prevents you from it sliding out of your hand. That's important if you're going to be using this in the shower. So yeah, let me give this a go here. But there you go, guys. There's a video, an unboxing video, the Series 9 Pro 9465cc, the graphite version, the graphite color. I guess I can show you that as well if you can see that. There you go. Model 9465cc graphite. So I'm going to gather all this extra stuff, the twist tie, the plastic bags, the little paper thing that was wrapped around the cord, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And again, remember, I want you to come to Electric Razor App, the board, www.electricrazorApp.com, create an account. I will manually enter you into the system. You can post all the questions you want, comments, reviews on razors you have. This unboxing video will go to the Electric Razor App board as well. I'll post the YouTube link there. Of course, you can find us on YouTube as well. So thank you, and we'll catch you in the next video.